Jojalapa, Namaste, good morning and good evening. I'd like to welcome you all on the platform of e-Daboo. So as we announced earlier, so now it's time to start our Nepal Bhasa classes. So we have scheduled the first episode on the July the 8th, Saturday morning. And we are really glad, the e-Daboo is really glad to have Daya Shakya as our resource person who is Newa scholar as well as the linguist and have been in this field from 1992, and he has been engaged teaching Nepali, Nepal Bhasa as well as Sanskrit. Now let's listen to the Asakya.
Jojalapa, namaste for everybody, and good morning and good evening. I'm here to give you some lessons on Nepal Bhasa. So this program will be scheduled for 6 episodes starting from July 8. First of all, when we talk about Nepal Bhasa, there are some main features that needs to be expressed before I start language. So this is just for promo. So please join me to get lessons from what I'm going to teach, what I'm going to express. So all these lessons will be very beneficial for you to learn how the language structure is work and then how it can be learned. And I will give you a very simple method. So how to capture the whole gist of learning the language. And it is very easy. So for the first episode, I will be discussing about the sound system in Nepal Bhasa, and it will go on from sound system to structuring of the words, as well as how the sentences are built up, and also the main features, which is very important for you to learn Nepal Bhasa. These main features will be very much focused on, especially in Nepal Bhasa only, so not comparing with any other language. So definitely it will be a very beneficial for you to learn in a very easy way. I have been writing in Nepal Bhasa and also in English in a many journals, articles are all there. But when you go through the journal, it will be kind of difficult to understand. But when you listen, the audio listening will be very much easy for you to understand how it works and then how it can be learned and how it can be also taught to the other people. Once you learn, it will be a very easy way. So I will give you just only the structural value as well also the formula. So put together, once you have the word from dictionary, that you can put together and then make it a sentence. So this kind of a very simple method I will be giving you at the time. So please come and then join me so that you will be benefited from this program. So I hope you all enjoy. I hope you also learn from this class. Thank you very much. We will see you again from July 8.